Morning, dear listeners. Hope you all are well at your home with your parents. So, dear listeners, today we will start our English practice book, Unit First, and the first lesson is naming word. We all know what are naming words. We have already read about naming word in class 3rd. Let's revise one more time. Naming words. Naming words are also known as noun. Naming words हैं उन्हें हम noun भी बोलते हैं. So naming words are names of person, animal, bird, place or thing. Example are here. Name of the person like your name, my name, any person name. So it's a naming word. It's a noun. Okay. Animal name or bird name. Like if you have dog and your dog name is Tuffy, so it's a naming word. Your animal or bird name is a naming word. Then place name like Shimla. If we live in Shimla, so Shimla is a naming word. Then thing like pen, TV. So we have given name to the things, or they are known as naming word. So dear student, here we have one activity. Worksheet 1. Around the house. Look at the words given below. Help Niti to arrange the things in their proper room in the given network. Also add one more object in each room. So there is a 8 box. यहाँ 8 box दिया है और आपको नीति को हेल्प करनी है ये सारी चीज़ें अकॉर्डिंग टू रूम्स कि किस रूम में क्या चीज़ आएगी, और उसके अलावा आपको एक ऑब्जेक्ट और ऐड करना है. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द सिटिंग रूम. यू कैन टेक द हेल्प ऑफ दिस 8 box. So we know carpet. We use carpet in sitting room. Fine. Then next word will be, yes, central table. We use central table in sitting room. The next word, yes, it's sofa. So you can write sofa here. Then last, so you have to add one more object in each. So we will add TV here because we see TV in sitting room. So here we have complete one web, and let's find the next things what we see in kitchen. First, yes, is saucepan. You can write saucepan here. Then stove. Then kettles. So we will add spoon here. Now bathroom. Let's start. The first word will be shower. So you will write shower here. And the second word is towel. And then next word is wash basin. And we will add one word here, and that will be mirror. So हम बाथरूम में क्या देखते हैं? मिरर को भी देखते हैं. बेडरूम. What are left? Yes, the first word is dressing table. यहाँ स्पेस नहीं है, आप थोड़ा बाहर लिख सकते हैं, कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है. Then next is wardrobe. Then next word will be bedsheet. और हम बेडशीट किस पे बिछाते हैं? बेड पर. यस. तो यहाँ पर हम लिखेंगे बेड. वी हैव एड न्यू वर्ड हियर एंड दिस इज बेड. सो हियर वी हैव कंप्लीट दिस network. So dear student, all the word you have filled it in are the naming of things that we use every day. ये सारे वो वर्ड हैं जो कि हम किसी न किसी चीज़ के लिए डेली यूज़ करते हैं. सो these naming are called, और जो सारे वर्ड्स हैं इन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? They are called common noun. That we have studied in 3rd class what are common noun. That I am going to explain again here what are common nouns. Common noun. There are different type of noun and one kind is common noun. Naming words. The name which is common to a person, place or thing of the same kind is called common naming word. वो word जो किसी person के लिए, place के लिए और thing के लिए, सब के लिए एक जैसे ही यूज़ होते हैं, उन्हें हम बोलते हैं common naming word. For example, there are 4 boys in your class, sitting in your class, और उनके नेम हैं राहुल, राज, हितेन, दिनेश. बट हम उन्हें क्या बोलेंगे? कॉमनली बॉयज़ बोलेंगे. तो बॉय क्या है? कॉमन नेमिंग वर्ड जो हमने उन चारों के लिए यूज़ किया है. सो कॉमन वर्ड्स आर दोज वर्ड दैट वी यूज़ फॉर द a person, place or thing of the same kind is called common naming word, and it never begins with a capital letter. जितने भी common naming words होते हैं वो कभी capital letter के साथ शुरू नहीं होते हैं. For example, king, boy, girl, town, river, mountains, father, mother, brother, sister, etc. So these are the कॉमन नेमिंग वर्ड. तो ये इस जो एक्टिविटी हमने की है, जितनी भी ये थिंग्स हैं ये क्या है? common thing. Now we will do the next worksheet 2, and I'm going to explain here. These are also common nouns. You have to fill the words that dash love his camera. We all know who loves the camera. Photographer. P H O T O G R A P H E R. So who loves the camera? The photographer loves his camera. Number 2, I teach in a school. I am a, yes, it's a teacher. So T E A C H E R. I teach in a school and I am a teacher. Third one is I fight for my country and I am a, yes, I am a soldier. So SOLDIER. I fight for my country. I am a soldier. Fourth one, I sell fruits in the market and I am a, yes, it's a fruit, FRUIT, fruit seller. SELLER. I sell fruits in the market and I am a fruit seller. Now fifth one. Himanshu repairs cars and trucks. He earned his living as a mechanic. MECHANIC. So Himanshu repair cars and trucks. He earned his living as a mechanic. So dear student, all these words are common naming words. So here we have complete our worksheet 2. There is one activity for you. What will you do? On page number 2, there is tickle your mind, that you will do it by yourself. In which room do you normally